everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. So to begin the process, open the Twitter application first on your mobile device and then you will need to get logged in. Now that you have been logged in into your account, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left. And there on this, you need to tap on Setting and Support at the bottom. Tap on that. And below you type in Setting and Privacy. Once you're at the Setting and Privacy, you need to tap on the Privacy and Safety option. Tap that. Inside the Privacy and Safety option, you need to tap on Your Tweets. Tap on it. Now here on the space, you need to tap on the toggle button next to marked media you tweet as containing material that may be sensitive. Right after you tap that, you will be turning off sensitive content on Twitter. So when you have this setting turned on, that is, the sensitive content is enabled, people who visit your profile may see a message letting them know your account may include potential sensitive content and asking them to confirm they still want to view it. People who have opted in to see possibly sensitive content will still see your account without the message. So while you turn it off, you will not have this option and they will not be informed beforehand. This is how you can turn off sensitive content in Twitter. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.